If you're a real estate agent, health insurance can be a challenging expense. But with eXp Realty Health Insurance, agents now have an option for affordable health insurance that can help them manage this important expense in a budget-friendly way. If you're working in real estate, you may want to check out this health insurance plan to see if it will fit your needs. Here's what we'll cover today, as well as timestamps so you can forward to the part you're most interested in or watch all the way through. Health insurance options, a challenge for modern real estate agents. What is eXp Realty Health Insurance? An affordable alternative to the open market. Who is eXp Realty? Who is Clearwater Benefits? How to take advantage of eXp Realty Health Insurance, and then we'll cover the most frequently asked questions on eXp Realty Health Insurance. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. For many real estate agents, finding quality health insurance options can be a challenge. Healthcare costs continue to rise, and insurance is a must for real estate agents. Yet health plan options are quite limited for those working in this industry. Even brokerages that wish to offer health insurance as a benefit to their agents struggle to find affordable plans. According to healthinsuranceplans.org, the average cost for health insurance premiums for an individual, such as an independent contractor, was $1,520 per month for family coverage policy in 2018. As a real estate agent, that is a significant amount of money that you may not have. In addition, those costs can increase if your family struggles with outstanding medical conditions. For many agents, those costs are simply out of reach. This problem leads to a high level of stress for many real estate professionals who desire quality insurance to take care of their healthcare costs. But because agents work as independent contractors, they can't benefit from group health plan discounts available with traditional insurance offered by employers. Enter eXp Realty, which provides an affordable healthcare plan designed with real estate agents in mind. What is eXp Realty Health Insurance? eXp Realty is the real estate cloud brokerage of eXp World Holdings. It now partners with Clearwater Benefits to provide an affordable healthcare plan specific to the real estate industry. The new program, called eXp Agent Healthcare, pairs agents with a dedicated concierge who helps them find affordable coverage that has a better price than what is available on the health insurance marketplace. In addition, eXp Agent Healthcare connects agents with a telemedicine service. This service can provide video conferencing medical care, which helps agents save even more. eXp Health Insurance is an affordable alternative to the open market. With eXp Agent Healthcare, real estate agents get better healthcare choices. This can help them enjoy fixed healthcare expenses so they can easily budget for their healthcare costs. This product also means that more agents can get insurance. The National Association of Realtors did a study in 2018 that found that 14% of NAR members did not have health insurance. This was due to the high cost of health insurance when purchasing it from a company on the open market. On the other hand, Clearwater Benefits reports that agents who partner with them experience significant savings of around $10,000 on fixed healthcare expenses and 80% on out-of-pocket expenses. With the exclusive partnership between eXp Realty and Clearwater Benefits, agents now have an affordable healthcare coverage option that can save them from unnecessary stress and expenses. So who is eXp Realty? eXp Realty is a large real estate brokerage firm that serves the entire United States and internationally. The company's agents currently number over 67,000 and even include agents in Canada, Mexico, and 15 other countries. Healthcare coverage is not the only thing offered by eXp Realty. The brokerage also offers its agents retirement benefits, including eXp World Holdings stock options. Agents also contribute to the overall company growth and earn stock as rewards when they do. To learn more about eXp Realty and what you need to do to join, check out my other video that I'll link above here. Who is Clearwater Benefits? Clearwater Benefits is an insurance brokerage dedicated to offering affordable healthcare coverage options to its clients. Its innovative healthcare options fit the demands of the Affordable Care Act while providing residential real estate agents with affordable health benefits and insurance plan options. Clearwater Benefits not only offers health insurance plan options, but also other group policies including life insurance, dental insurance, disability insurance, vision insurance, and wellness initiatives. This comprehensive list of policy and plan options is a perk of the partnership between eXp World Holdings and Clearwater Benefits. Every eXp Realty agent has the choice to choose from many plan options in addition to the affordable healthcare plan coverage. This allows every real estate agent to have the best possible benefits package for their own situation. How to take advantage of eXp Realty health insurance plan options. If you're an eXp Realty agent and want to take advantage of the health plans offered through this partnership, all you need to do is ask. Your work as a realtor does not limit you from enjoying affordable healthcare coverage, as long as you are an eXp Realty agent. If you are not an eXp Realty but wish to take advantage of these health insurance options, start with getting your sponsorship and going through the onboarding process. Once you're an agent, you can shop eXp's affordable health insurance. You'll be able to enjoy significant savings over the plans available in the marketplace. Even though agents work as independent contractors, they still need insurance for themselves and their families. Choosing eXp Realty health insurance plans makes that possible. You can save over $10,000 a year on your healthcare costs by becoming an eXp agent and enrolling in one of these health plans. Now let's get into some of the frequently asked questions that I get. How do realtors get health insurance? Realtors can get health insurance just like any individual by buying it on the healthcare marketplace. However, because they are independent contractors, the costs can add up and become a substantial expense. One option for affordable health insurance is joining eXp Realty or another brokerage that offers affordable health plans. Alright, well if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #NCrew in the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. Would you try out eXp Realty Health Insurance? Let me know in the comments. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.